guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited because today not only is it something different, but I am blonde. So I hope you guys like this new look that I have going on. It's just temporarily, you guys will find out real soon. But anyway, I decided to create this really icy snowflake blue type of look going on. It's so much fun. I had so much fun creating this look. It's something way out of my league. And I hope you guys will love this tutorial and stay tuned with me. Until then, let's get started with the video. Hey guys, I'm blonde. So yeah, I definitely did a big change, you know. There you go, it's blonde. How do you guys feel about it? You guys like it? It's super different, I know. I'm so used to my red hair, but I decided to change it up a little bit and go blonde. So this is what we got. I am obsessed with it. I love it. It's something so different, and you're gonna see me with a lot of selfies. Okay, so I'm back with another YouTube video. Alright, besides being blonde, I already did my base. So I already did my foundation, everything. The last thing I didn't do on my face was my highlight on my cheeks. I did my nose and my cupid's bow. That's pretty much it. But I went ahead and did everything else. But today is all going to be about the eyes and the lip, because I did some Black Friday shopping and I finally got my hands on a couple new items that I've been wanting to try. Alright, so right here in my hand, I finally got a few palettes from the Juvia place. I have been wanting to try out this brand for so long. I see them in Ultra and I swatch every one of them. I'm like, oh my god, I really want to buy it. But you know, I just didn't have the money at the time, or you know, I just wasn't like, you know, I need it, you know. But this was always something I did always want to have and play with. But on Black Friday they had like 45% off, and if you spend $50 you get free shipping. So I spent $50 and I got all this. These four right here were literally $11. Like, go, yes. So I got all of these. This one, I was gonna get the little mini one too. It was like $13, but they were sold out, so I was like, whatever. I went ahead and got the big one, which was $16. So everything was 11 bucks and then 16. So I got me a good deal. I got all of these because each one of these are like $20 or more. So I saved me a really good deal. I got the Juvia, I got the Festival, I got the Juicy, I got the Sharana too, and the Masquerade. Forgive me if I'm saying all of this wrong, but you know, I'm pretty sure you guys seen these palettes before. I'm so happy to have these, and I can't wait to create a look with these. Here's the first one, the Juvia by Juvia. And then this one is the Sahara number 2 by Juvia. Super pretty. And we have the Dulce by Juvia. Super cute. I can't wait to play with this one, of course. Then we have the Festival palette. And then finally we have the Masquerade palette. Oh my god, this is my favorite one. This is the one that's calling me to play with this one, of course. I actually love all these colors. Super cute. So yeah, this is what I got, and I'm so excited to play with these. I probably not going to use every single one of them, but I am going to use some of these and one of these palettes to paint on my eyes today. The last thing I did get for Black Friday, and I was so happy because I heard it sold out like quick, and I was, you know, able to get it on my hands. I'm so happy. So right here I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the liquid lipstick set. This was the PR set, and they were having it on Black Friday for $60. So I got the light to medium. They had another one which was deep, but you know, I'm really light and I don't wear dark colors, so I decided to go with this one. So this is what it looks like inside. You have 10 shades. Each one of these are $20, and I only got this for $60. Like, that was such a good deal. It would have been a bundle of $200. Super cute. I love the light shades, and we're a little bit of the darker shades. So I am definitely happy I have this in my kit. So this is something that I'm so happy. I'm definitely not gonna throw this away. It's super cute. I love it, and now I have 10 new babies to play with and put on my lips. Alright guys, so like I said, I have my face already done with. I'm gonna get started with my eyes. Christmas is coming up, so I am feeling the Christmas vibe. Last time I did a green cut crease. So this time I'm trying to think of something different. I have a few little favorites that I have, and I'll definitely link out who I look at. Alright guys, So today I think I'm going to use just the Masquerade palette because I'm really torn to choose the blues in here, and I really like this color, but I might go with another palette as well. So today I'm going to try to do like an icy blue, like snowflake kind of look type of thing. So it's all going to be about blues, girl, and I'm going to try. So I'm going to show you, I found this artist on Facebook. I can't find her username, but I will definitely find it. But this is the look I'm going to try to recreate. This is the look I'm going to try to recreate. I love the blue and that little icy snowflake, so I'm going to try my hardest to recreate this. It probably will not be the exact same, but this is where I'm getting my inspired look from. So I already have a concealer set as prime, so I am just gonna go straight into my blues and try to whip this out. She is definitely a really good artist, so I am going to try my hardest. A lot of these palettes, they have a lot of shimmer in them. They're not matte. I mean, you have the mattes, but like this is a shimmer, this is a shimmer, this is matte, and I looked at all these palettes. I don't have a blue that is just a matte color because I don't want to go in a shimmer and create, it's gonna be way too messy. So since I don't have any matte, I'm definitely gonna go with these some mattes right here from the James Charles palette. So this is what I'm gonna use as well. So I'm gonna start off with this shade right here, the really dark type of blue. I'm gonna put it all in my crease and really deepen it up. Alright guys, so we finally have that blue in our crease. It's super pretty, it's dark, so now I'm just going to go in with a lighter blue. Alright, now I'm going to go with this lighter blue right here. I'm going to put it on top where we just put that dark blue at. Alright, so we have that really pretty blue on top with the dark blue. I went back in with the brush I did with the dark blue and just blend the two together. Alright, now I'm going to take a big blending brush and just blend all the edges together. So before I use this palette, I'm going to cut my crease first and then we'll start with this palette. Alright guys, we just cut the crease. I cut it all the way out and the pointy end at the end. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Zola and put it all over my lid. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Jeez, y'all see that? That is so freaking pretty. Okay, you guys, this blue is so freaking pretty. I know I only use one shade, but dude, this is so freaking pretty. Like, I love this color. It's such a boom, you know, like, this is really pretty. Okay, so we pretty much have to just, you know, put the white between our cut crease, and we put a little dot and a little snowflake. So let's get onto it. Now, I don't have white eyeliner on me because I haven't went out and bought any. But I have this in my pocket right now, and it has a white in here. It's kind of like a gel type of thing. So I'm going to try to see if I can create this. Hopefully it doesn't go wrong. If anything, I would just put black eyeliner instead of the white. And I would try to use this white as a little snowflake. So this is from CC Beauty. It's a dupe for the Forever 21, the one they had. This is literally like $20 or $15. I got it on Amazon, but the Forever 21 is like $100. I was like, yeah, no, yeah. So I'm gonna use this. Hopefully it goes good. Okay, not so bad, not so bad. This is actually my first time ever trying this, so please, I'm a beginner. It is a little messy, but girl, just take your time. Okay, so we have outlined that with the white. I'm happy it worked. Oh my god, I was gonna cry if I messed up. I do have a little tiny bit, like a little right here in the corner, but I'm just gonna lightly go really close to it with the blue and kind of get rid of it. Yeah, so I'm ready to leave it like that. Right now, this is best I can do it, and I love it so far, so I don't want to mess it up. Alright, now I'm looking at the photo. It looks like she just put little dots all over the place, and then in the end she put the little snowflake. So I am gonna make little tiny dots right here and then put the snowflake right there. Alright, so there are my little tiny dots. Now I am just gonna make a little tiny little star and little lines. Kind of like snowflake. I am not the best artist, so just try your hardest to do so. Alright, we have a little tiny snowflake. So cute. Alright guys, so I tried my hardest. I'm not the best, but I kind of just picked one like this and my little dots. This is the best. I'm gonna get it, but I think this is the best. Like, I have never tried anything like this, so I'm really happy with it. Alright guys, so I want to be a little more extra, and I'm gonna add some glitter where I put all the snowflake and the little dots out. Just a little tiny glitter. Alright, so what I put first was the Too Faced glitter glue, just right on top, and then I'm going to put the glitter on top. Alright, now we have a little tiny glitter to it. This is so pretty. I'm really happy with it. Like, God, I'm happy with it. So now I'm gonna do my under eyes. I'm gonna use the same colors that I use in my crease. You know, the blue and the dark blue, and then we're gonna highlight our inner corners. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my under eyes. I used the same colors that I used with my crease from the James Charles palette, the light blue and the dark blue. So now I'm just going to highlight my inner corners. I'm going to use this shade right here called Juvia, I think it's saying, and I'm going to put it all in my inner corners and highlight my brow bone. Alright guys, now we're pretty much done with our eyes. So now I'm just going to put my mascara on and put my lashes on. Alright, so we have our lashes on. I use my favorite lashes from Doo Lashes in the style G306. And I do have a coupon code as well. So you can use my code ZOOELOVE at checkout and save some money. Okay, you guys, so now it's time to just highlight our cheeks and then our lip. I'm going to use this shade right here and highlight my cheeks. Now, remember I told you guys that I have all these lipsticks right here. So I'm going to definitely stay with the nude because I have a lot going on my eye. So I'm going to go with this shade right here called Strip and put it on my lips. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. The last thing we have to do is put some setting spray. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe setting spray and set my entire face. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I had so much fun creating this look. This is something way out of my league. I always just do a regular eye, crease or smoky eye. I never put my actual work in it. I love the snowflake. I love this blue. The blue is so pretty. I love these lips. I am so happy I have 10 new shades of different lipsticks. I'm definitely going to use them all. And I'm so happy with the Juvia's palette as well. I know I only used 2 shades, but I would definitely play with these even more. It's just, right now I'm trying to stay on with Christmassy looks, and I had so much fun creating this look. I would definitely put the artist's name down on her Instagram. Whatever I can find that's hers, I would definitely let it down in my description box because she is so talented, and I created this look after her, so definitely go check it out as well. I think that's pretty much it. I would definitely come back with another video, and I hope you guys love this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!